Welcome to 1000M, Chicago's premier luxury high-rise. Step into the elegant foyer where we're greeted by a practical hall closet. Follow me down this sleek hallway, passing by the well-appointed bathroom on your right. We now enter the heart of the home, the convertible area. Here, your primary living space unfolds, perfect for both relaxation and entertainment. As we walk westward, notice how the space opens up, offering versatility and luxury. Let's take a look at the kitchen, where elegance meets functionality. This gourmet kitchen boasts stainless steel Filton appliances, including a built-in refrigerator and dishwasher, a compact stove. The warm tone cabinetry not only adds a touch of sophistication, but offers ample storage. Next, we enter the tranquil bedroom, designed for ultimate comfort and style. The spacious room features a small work desk area, perfect for those who need a quiet space or study from home. Adjacent to the bed, one of the 3 built-out closets offers custom wood-tone shelving, drawers, and hanging space for all your wardrobe needs. Heading back to the foyer, step into the bathroom, where continuity in design with warm tones and clean aesthetics is evident. The space is highlighted by an LED mirror that not only provides perfect lighting for your morning routine, but also adds a modern touch to the vanity. Finally, indulge in the luxury of a walk-in shower, enveloped by elegant tiling that complements the overall design, ensuring a spa-like experience every day. Back in the hallway, we find a larger secondary closet, all built out for your home storage needs. And of course, every unit here comes equipped with a convenient front-loading washer and dryer. 1000M Apartments, a luxurious high-rise in the heart of Chicago's vibrant South Loop, offers residents an unparalleled living experience with over 80,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor amenities, the most extensive in any residential building in the city. Perfectly situated at the intersection of Michigan Avenue and Grant Park, the location provides easy access to cultural landmarks, such as the Art Institute of Chicago, the museum campus, and the picturesque Lake Michigan waterfront. The 2-story, state-of-the-art fitness and wellness facility is designed to cater to a variety of health and wellness needs, providing residents with convenient access to top-tier equipment and services. Additionally, the building features year-round swimming facilities, ensuring that residents can maintain their fitness routines regardless of the season. Beyond the fitness center, 1000M boasts a range of common spaces and amenities that foster community and leisure. The 73rd floor houses a magnificent rooftop residential observation deck, the highest in the city, offering breathtaking views of the skyline, lake, and park. This level also includes a winter garden, providing a serene, greenhouse-like environment for relaxation, and 2 private dining rooms equipped with demonstration and catering kitchens, perfect for hosting gatherings. Residents can also enjoy private event spaces, social lounges, and co-working areas, all thoughtfully designed to enhance the living experience and create a vibrant community within the building. To explore rates and floor plans, connect with a leasing consultant to find your perfect luxury apartment. Visit YoChicago.com. Let's get you settled into your new West Loop home.